Take cloves, but don't make the same mistake many people do. What happens when you take clove water? Cloves stand out as exceptional natural plants with remarkable health benefits. However, a significant number of people are unaware of the optimal method for incorporating cloves into their routine to effectively combat various diseases and unlock a multitude of incredible advantages that can positively transform their lives. Discover the most effective way to harness the full health benefits of cloves in this video, where we unveil the transformative power of taking just 3 cloves. Ensure you follow the recommended approach highlighted in the video to maximize the positive impact on your overall well-being. Welcome once again. Have you ever wondered what unfolds within your body when you consume cloves? If you aspire to lead a healthy life devoid of chronic diseases, rest assured that cloves are the ideal choice. In this discussion, we delve into the concealed aspects of cloves. While widely recognized for their distinct aroma, reminiscent of a dentist's office, and their ability to alleviate tooth pain when applied to an inflamed tooth, cloves harbor additional secrets that might surprise you. The key lies in eugenol, a magical substance found in cloves, endowed with numerous properties that contribute to their health benefits. Stay tuned to uncover the fascinating secrets of cloves. Anti-inflammatory antiviral. Cloves possess potent antibacterial and antifungal properties. Moreover, the substance found in cloves, eugenol, ranks among the most robust natural antioxidants globally. In this video, we delve into the incredible benefits of cloves, exploring the ailments they can address and the proper methods of consumption. There are various ways to incorporate cloves into your routine, each tailored to the specific purpose and benefits you seek. Additionally, we discuss the preparation of a delightful clove recipe suitable for everyone, whether in good health or facing health challenges. Stay tuned for valuable insights. Health benefits. Exploring the health advantages of cloves, we begin with their significant impact on acne issues. Cloves stand out as potent treatments due to their attributes as a robust antibiotic, antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal agent, effectively addressing acne concerns. To utilize this remedy, simply place 3 clove sticks in boiling water for 5 minutes, filter the water, and apply it to the face or affected areas. Additionally, cloves serve as a remarkable treatment for various other purposes. Stomach ulcers. For individuals dealing with stomach ulcers, cloves offer therapeutic properties that can be beneficial. Cloves also play an effective role in combating candida and worms in the digestive system. To leverage these benefits, simply place 3 tablespoons of cloves in 100 milliliters of water, boil them thoroughly, and then consume a teaspoon of this solution in the morning and another in the evening. After a few days, you should experience a noticeable improvement in your condition. Reducing stress. Elevated stress levels are recognized to contribute to the rise of diseases and pathological symptoms, resulting in an upsurge in cortisol, the stress hormone. This can pose various challenges to overall health, particularly in relation to heart disease, as it diminishes essential minerals like potassium in the human body. To alleviate stress, a simple remedy is to add 3 cloves to a cup of green tea and consume it, harnessing its numerous health benefits for the body. Enhancing testosterone. Recent research indicates that cloves have the potential to boost testosterone, the male hormone. This enhancement extends to improving sperm quality, increasing blood flow, and fostering a sense of activity and vitality in men. Furthermore, this hormone exhibits positive effects on various aspects, including addressing hair loss, treating acne, and managing facial problems. It also proves beneficial in addressing prostate issues and serves as a useful treatment for male infertility. For optimal utilization of cloves to enhance the testosterone hormone, the recommended method is to grind 2 cloves and incorporate them into a cup of milk. Drinking this blend is particularly advantageous because milk is known for enhancing the probiotics it contains, imparting a sweet taste when combined with cloves, thereby further amplifying the effects on the testosterone hormone. Strengthening the immune system. Cloves boast a wealth of minerals and vitamins. Just a teaspoon of ground cloves offers 30% of the recommended daily intake of manganese, essential for overall health. Additionally, it provides 4% of the daily recommended vitamin K and 3% of vitamin C. Beyond these, cloves are rich in nutrients such as magnesium, calcium, and vitamin E, serving as a commendable source of dietary fiber. Moreover, cloves contain compounds like allicin and fat-soluble antioxidants. The significance of fat-soluble antioxidants lies in their potent impact on the cell membrane, composed of fat, safeguarding cells from free radicals. This protection not only aids in fending off aging but also contributes to sustained vitality. Cloves are recognized as a plant that significantly bolsters the immune system and reduces the likelihood of infections. To harness these benefits, a simple remedy involves adding 3 cloves to a cup of green tea. Regulating blood sugar. Cloves play a significant role in regulating blood sugar by virtue of their manganese content, contributing to the effective control of insulin levels in the body. This, in turn, aids in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Furthermore, in promoting respiratory health, cloves work to prevent upper respiratory infections, alleviate associated symptoms, and offer protection against conditions such as colds, influenza, coughs, and asthma. Additionally, cloves prove effective in preventing sinus and bronchial infections, and they facilitate the expulsion of phlegm. Moreover, cloves contribute to weight management by reducing hunger pangs. Their high levels of healthy fiber are instrumental in curbing the desire to eat and inducing a sense of fullness, thereby aiding in rapid weight loss and fat burning. Improves liver functions. Cloves, enriched with antioxidants, actively eliminate liver fat and mitigate the risk of fibrosis. Furthermore, they serve to safeguard the liver, enhance enzyme levels, and contribute to overall liver health. Improves bone health. Cloves boast a wealth of manganese, a crucial element in the bone formation process and vital for maintaining optimal bone health. Additionally, manganese contributes to enhancing mineral density within the bones. Moreover, cloves possess properties that diminish joint inflammation, establishing them as a noteworthy treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, as indicated by various studies. Anti-cancer. Cloves possess potent anti-cancer properties, with their active compounds demonstrating the ability to poison cancer cells in the colon and eliminate cancer cells in the breast. An excellent recipe for crafting a healthful drink using cloves involves combining 200 milliliters of water with 3 cloves and manuka honey. To prepare, simply boil the cloves in the water for 15 minutes, then let the concoction cool. Pour it into a cup and add a spoonful of manuka honey, known for its quality-enhancing benefits. This drink is best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening, approximately 1 hour before bedtime. After a few days, a noticeable improvement in energy levels and overall well-being can be experienced. Quick warning. Pregnant women should refrain from taking cloves without consulting a doctor to ensure the well-being of the fetus. Additionally, cloves are not considered safe for children under 14 years of age due to potential side effects. Individuals with bleeding disorders are advised to avoid cloves, given the presence of the chemical eugenol, which may contribute to bleeding. Moreover, cloves are deemed unsafe for those undergoing surgical procedures or planning surgery, necessitating discontinuation of clove consumption at least 2 weeks before the scheduled surgery date. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.